When it comes to maintaining the appearance of your business, first impressions are everything. That's why System4 of Indianapolis offers expert commercial window washing services to keep your windows looking crystal clear and professional. Whether you're managing an office, retail space, or industrial property, System4 is the trusted name in professional window washing services throughout Indianapolis. Our team is dedicated to delivering top-notch results every time. With our expert commercial window cleaning services, we use the latest tools and techniques to ensure your windows are spotless. No streaks, no smudges, just gleaming windows that leave a lasting impression on your clients and visitors. At System4 of Indianapolis, we understand the importance of curb appeal. Our commercial window washing services are designed to enhance the look of your property, ensuring your business always makes a great first impression. With years of experience serving Indianapolis businesses, we offer more than just window washing. We deliver peace of mind. Our expert commercial window cleaning services are reliable, efficient, and tailored to fit the needs of your business. From single-story shops to multi-story office buildings, System4 handles it all. Our team is trained to clean windows safely and thoroughly, no matter the size or complexity of the job. Safety is our priority. Our technicians are fully insured and equipped with the right tools to perform window cleaning tasks safely and efficiently. You can trust us to get the job done right every time. Our commercial window washing services go beyond just cleaning. We ensure your windows are free from dirt, grime, and hard water stains, leaving your building with a fresh, clean appearance that lasts. With System4 of Indianapolis, you don't just get clean windows, you get a partner who cares about the cleanliness and maintenance of your entire business. Ready to make your business shine? Call System4 of Indianapolis today at 317-222-1239 for your professional window washing services. Or visit us at htc/system4indy.com, Indianapolis Commercial Window Washing. Let us take care of the windows so you can focus on growing your business.